Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'm going to show you how sales teams can use project knowledge in Team-GPT to close deals faster and maintain consistent communication with prospects. Managing sales processes from prospecting to closing requires easy access to product information, pricing details, and successful sales strategies. When working with AI, normally you would need to give the AI the context it needs to generate relevant responses with every single chat. Not anymore. Now you have project knowledge in Team-GPT. To access project knowledge, select the project from the left sidebar in Team-GPT. Once inside the project, click on the Project Knowledge button in the chat input field. Let's start with our project information. I'm going to paste some sales guidelines I have prepared over here and I'm gonna save them. Next, I would also like to add a helpful resource over here as a web link. Team-GPT is scraping the information. And finally, let's upload some sales documentation. Email templates and pricing guide. Now I'm going to start a new chat inside the project and generate some responses to common pricing objections. As you can see, the AI creates perfect responses using our guidelines and best practices. This means more consistent messaging, faster response time, and better prospect engagement. That's project knowledge for sales teams. Thank you for watching.